What's up, me amigos? Neon Panda here, and welcome to a Fistful of Frags gameplay and commentary. Oh, well, all good things must come to an end. I'm in first place already. Oh, got me. Oh, start the timer. Okay, so welcome to Fistful of Frags. This is my second session of the day. I thought I tried to record some TF2, but unfortunately that didn't turn out too well. That didn't turn out so well, so here I am bringing you a Fistful of Frags. I actually prefer Fistful of Frags most days now. So, yeah. Not really much I could do there. He had the top tier shotgun in a confined area. Heh. Missed. Oh. Okay. Let's see who's in the saloon. Not bad on him. He got the drop on me. Well played by him. Okay, third place ain't too bad, but I'd like to be in first. Now I'm going to immediately come after you, since I know where you are. pressed the wrong button. I need to get a kill and dual wield. Because fourth place is starting to creep up on me. I'm dropping. Great. I need to kill someone with a sawn off. That way I can have the OP pairing. What? Okay, I got a headshot on him. He should have died there. Dude, you're kind of supposed to kill that guy. So we got at least one team. Becoming quite annoyed with this train. Always managing to be going by when I spawn there. Oh, so instead of the guy who's out of ammo, go for me. Not far behind number 3. Ah. Did put some distance between me and number 3, though. Seems legit, one shot and dead. No, when I get a headshot in one shot. And though when I get a headshot, it takes 2 shots. So, what the heck, dude? And that guy is camping the shotgun hardcore. Exit Wound seems to be using that shoddy pretty much exclusively. Someone just left because I do not recall being that far ahead of number 4. Seems like whenever I get a sauna, some jerk gets the drop and tries to get the kill me with the pump. Pump. Okay, that guy's honest. He took me down with a, a revolver, which is what you really. He took me down dual wield, which is what you really should be doing in this game. You shouldn't. For example, you shouldn't be running around with the one OP, the shotgun, the pump shotgun, the one gun that really shouldn't be, the one gun that doesn't really fit the motif. You really shouldn't be running around with. I know I was low, but oh, excuse me. This train is invariably coming through when I spawn over here. Oh. Exit Wound doesn't seem to be much of a threat, provided he doesn't have the pump when you see him. Oh, I ran into the team. Well, I've got a bone to pick with him now. I'm coming after him. Knife versus a hatchet. Where the... Yeah, I use my knuckles. Exit wound gets the lucky shot and kills him. Really? That knife to the face did 1 damage. That doesn't seem politically correct to me. A knife to the face did 1 frickin' damage. Okay, this was really stupid to follow him. Oh, that's a lot of Okay, I admit that one was funny. Ooh. Oh, exit wound lost. Left. Guess he didn't get the... Second place! Not... Oh, crap. Look at Steve Bohuski's stunt double. Dang, dude. You good. E-athlete right there. 543 points. Jiminy Cricket. 47 kills. Oh, one of my favorite maps. Okay, no one so far. This is one of my favorite maps. Just the ambiance I love.